how to open multiple Minecraft windows. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just open up your Minecraft launcher, and then before we start playing, what you want to do is to just go to your settings right here, go to launcher settings, and then make sure that keep the launcher open while games are running is switched on right here. So make sure that this box right here is ticked, and then after that, just go back to Minecraft over here, and then just choose the version that you want to play. For me, I'll be playing the latest release, which is 1.21.3, and then after that, I'll just simply click on play right here, and then just wait for Minecraft to open. And then there you go, let's just wait for Minecraft to load, and then there you go. Next is what you want to do now is just open or click on play again to open another window of Minecraft, click on play, and then it will ask you, already joined the game as this user. So just click on start anyway, and then after that, another Minecraft window will now be open. So in here, we can now start playing games in our Minecraft windows. So I'll just click on single player on both windows right here, and then I'll just open up these two worlds right here in these windows. So let's just wait for these worlds to load, and then there you go. So in here, we can now start playing Minecraft in our right window. And then if you want to switch to the other window, just click on escape or pause, and then just move your mouse into the other window. And then from here, you can now start playing the other Minecraft game. And then there you go. So if you want to open more additional windows, just go back to the Minecraft launcher and then just click on play again to open more additional windows. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open multiple Minecraft windows.